What is up, guys? It's Cody with Shield Republic coming at you with some more live action. Today we are at Sugar Mountain, North Carolina. We've already started hitting the slopes. I've never snowboarded before in my life and can't see it now, but I did bust my nose open. Made a mistake going on the bigger slopes to start with, but we hit the beginner one a few times and we'll show you what I can do now. So I don't know if you're going to be able to hear me, guys, but this is essentially the baby slope, and a lot of beginners come to this slope, like myself, to try to learn. Ooh, we're in some ice, guys. Alright guys, it's day 2, Sugar Mountain. Freaking had a little bit of a hiccup yesterday with a busted nose and just was not having a good time. So this morning we're going to try to warm up on the bunny slope again and go from there. Alright guys, so getting pretty good at this. However, still kind of sketched out on some spots due to ice and shit, but for the most part, snowing pretty good today. Woo. Well, I ate it. See, definitely not an expert. Ass hurts after that, but better to fall down than to fall off this cliff. See if I can get this back on my head. Hopefully everything turns out good. This is the last day of boarding, and then we're gonna be taking the four-wheeler out tomorrow actually for some more footage, and that will be good because we just got the new helmet. So stay tuned for that, guys. I guess I can take off. Oh yeah, see that guy just jumped. I'm not on that level yet, and I'm not trying to hurt myself today considering the actions that happened yesterday. All right guys, so a little update on today's boarding. Actually got a lot better. So we first went down the Black Diamond on an accident yesterday for the first time, and I've never snowboarded before, and essentially busted my nose up. I'll put the clip in the video, but could not make it, 100 feet without falling. But now we're on a pretty good slope right now. We're coming down some of the blue trails, and I'm doing great. Everyone else in the group seems to be doing awesome as well.
Hey, it's Cody. I wonder what happened here.
Nice, brother.
Huh?
Let's do it. I don't know if I'll be able to keep up with you, but let's do it. Woo! We're good. Threw my arms behind me on accident, so that kind of hurt, but we're good. Let's get out of this little area right here. Pick up some speed for the flats. I always almost run into someone right here, so. Woo! My bad. All right, guys, we're finishing up here at Sugar Mountain. Sorry there's not a lot of second person viewpoints of me actually snowboarding and stuff. We didn't really come with a large group or anything like that, and switching off GoPro with random people isn't necessarily the best thing to do. Anyways, we're planning on another trip next month. We're going up to Virginia to a place called Weather Ridge. What?
Wintergreen.
We're going to Wintergreen in Virginia in a few weeks, so we'll have more people then. Strap up the GoPro to other guys' heads, see me shredding and stuff like that. Started off bad, busted the nose, you'll see that at the beginning of the video. However, last few times down the mountain, even down some of the more challenging slopes, didn't even fall. So shows, put your mind to anything, you can actually do it. We'll see you next time, guys.